Hello everyone, I'm Leo from Liangyu. Today, I'll be showing you around our company's new mold exhibition hall for motorcycle parts. First, take a look at this wall, which showcases the 33-year history of our company. We started with optical visors in 1992. 2007 was a significant year for us. And in 2007, we developed China's first automated anti-scratch coating line. This is our first automated anti-scratch coating line designed on our own. In the same year, we established the mold department. In 2008, we introduced the Swiss Micron precision engraving machine. This is quite important for visor production. And in 2019, we set up our mold laboratory to inspect the process dimension accuracy and enhance mold quality control. We also actively participate in both domestic and international motorcycle parts exhibitions. In the exhibition hall, first, you can take a look at this wall. You can see displays of helmet accessories. Everyone can take a look. Especially injection molded parts. All of which we are capable of developing. Many clients choose to entrust us with these projects because we have a clear advantage in precision and assembly compatibility. So this is also one of our strengths. Another strength of ours is the production of optical visors. As visors are a crucial part of the helmet. The exhibition also showcases helmet molds that we've developed for labor protection products. An area that has seen growing demand in recent years. Additionally, we are displaying helmet shells that we've co-developed with our partners. And all of these molds are independently developed by us. Here, we have 3 machines representing different visor processing technologies. First, this is our water repellent technology. You can see the simulation of heavy rain, where water flows down the visor, and the outside remains very clear. Next, this machine is for processing photochromic visors. Everyone can take a look. As soon as I turn on the UV light, you can see the visor quickly darken, showcasing our industry-leading photochromic technology. This is one of our company's key technologies. Finally, on the left, this is our Super Nano Anti-Fog Visor. As you can see, even when steam rises, the visor remains clear without fogging, which is a breakthrough in our anti-fog technology. This is our 3D reverse scanning machine. For clients who don't have a design file but have a sample, we can scan the sample, generate data, and make adjustments to achieve the desired design. This process is fully completed in-house, which is one of our strengths. Next, I will take you to visit our mold measurement laboratory. With all the necessary facilities in place, clients can confidently entrust us with their mold product development.